bubble up now. Bubble up, bubble up, bubble up now. Bad girl, big bumper, pretty cute face, I fi fuck that. Ride it, bubble up now. Push it in hard up in a.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, Bad Girl D, and I'm here with my first YouTube video. Y'all been waiting for this for so long, and now it's finally here. I know. See, y'all can stop pressing me about it because we here now. And if y'all pressing me and not tuned in, what are you doing? If you pressing me and not subscribed, what are you doing? If you pressing me, you're not liking and commenting, what are you doing? But yeah, I literally just got off of work, went home, changed my clothes. I know, like, I should have showered and all that, but I don't have time right now. Like, that don't have no time because the store's about to close. And I don't like going in my scrubs because people like asking questions and stuff like that, and I don't like to be questioned. And don't ask me why I got my bra on. It's because I was rushing it, so I was trying to hurry up, but I'm gonna take it off because I don't like when outfits do that. Like, you're not supposed to have your bra on. I'm sorry. Like, I don't have big breasts, so I'll be fine. But yeah, y'all, my hair looking crazy and all. Like, when is it not? No, let me stop. But make sure that's not the comps. We good. Oh, that's not nice, but I'm not even about to show y'all. But yeah, y'all, so I'm currently on the way to go look at some dresses for my birthday. It's a little get ready with me for my birthday. Feel me? Virgo season is coming up very soon. It's like in a week or two. So, you know, it's time to buckle up and get ready because this is my first time not being prepared. Usually, I know what outfit I'm wearing. I know what my hair gonna look like. I know what nails I'm gonna have. Like, all that good shit. And this year, I don't have nothing. Nothing. The most I got is my hair. And I didn't even order my hair yet. I just know what I want to do. Like, this shit is crazy. Like, but it's all right, because if you know me, I'm going to get that shit done. Are you dumb? But yeah, y'all, so I'm on my way. I'm currently just hopped on the highway. And we about to go look at some clothes. I don't know if I'm going to vlog that because, you know, baby girl, I want y'all to be surprised. You know, every year it's a thing where you got to pay attention to the details. So, yeah, y'all. So, I'm going to probably get back to y'all when I reach to my destination where I'm be shopping. Y'all probably going to tell and know exactly where I'm at just by, you know, the video. I'm not saying I'm buying anything from there. I just need some ideas or, like, because I have a personal stylist in Brooklyn, New York, that usually does all my dresses and stuff. But honestly, I go through her through my mom, and I don't feel like, you know, doing all that right now. And plus, nobody's about to sit here and drive to Brooklyn. Like, are you dumb? Like, no, I'm not doing all that. So, I'm just going to sit here and head to this freaking place and go see what we got going on. Let's see if the color that I'm supposed to be wearing really fits me. If not, then we going straight to my go-to color. Are you dumb? Like, that color always fit me, so it is what it is. Like, but yeah, y'all, I'm done talking. After this, I'm gonna show y'all where I'm at, and then after that, I'll probably do like a little Q&A, let y'all know exactly what's going on, what I'm gonna be doing on my channel. So y'all tune in. If you currently watching right now, you reached this far, I need you to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Okay, I need y'all to do all that for me. All right. Thank y'all for watching, but we not done. Still tune in. I'll see y'all after. So I just looked on the map to see how long it's gonna take me to get there, bro. It usually takes me about like a good 30 minutes to get there, maybe 45. It's saying a whole hour and 30 minutes. Are you crazy? Are you dumb? Like, what? Why is there so much people on the road? Like, no, this is not okay, bro. Like, why is there so much traffic? I don't like traffic. I'm traveling by myself. Like, honestly, if I don't get to catch these stores, then I'm gonna just come back home and just freaking get a car wash or something. Like, cause this, first of all, my car looks crazy. Cause I go straight from work. I don't even be home sometimes, so it's just all over the place. Like, I just got mad clothes everywhere. But anyways, Yeah, I'm gonna be so upset if I don't catch a store, because I really do not feel like going tomorrow, because tomorrow is Saturday and everybody's gonna be on the road and it's gonna be bad traffic and I'm gonna have to wake up early, do all that good stuff, and I don't feel like doing all that. So therefore, I'm trying to go right now, today, and it's already like 5. It's like 5 o'clock. Like, so I'm not gonna get there till like 6:15. I think it said. Like, that's crazy, bro. That's real crazy. Like, no, it does not take that long for me to get there. So why is it taking me that long right now? Like, traffic cannot be that bad, bro. And I think it's about to start right now, bro. This shit is sad. Like, stay off the road, y'all. Stay off the road. Y'all, I'm so shy with recording, bro. This is not a thing. I ain't gonna lie. This shit is not a thing. Huh? Yeah. But see, y'all, this is a shot between I can't. I don't even know if I could cross. I'm still crossing. What you talking about? It's that New York shit. But yeah, I'm going shopping right now on the app. Let's see what we find. I can't record that much because they playing music, but y'all, I was mad nervous. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I can't record in public. Like, I can't record in public. Like, I'm too nervous for that. And I don't like when people stare at me. So imagine when I get a big camera, like, they gonna be staring. But it's alright, because I'm gonna be up there. And they're not gonna say anything to me. I'm gonna be like, how about you subscribe to my channel and not look at me? Like, thank you very much. But yeah, I found my dress. I was so excited. Not even excited, but I was like so focused that I didn't even like think to record. I was on FaceTime with my mom. But yeah, I didn't really get to record. I did like a little screen record while I was on FaceTime with her at another store, which I'll tell you and explain to you when I drop the clip. But other than that, guys, I came over here for some beef patty. If you don't know where I'm at, I'm on Jamaican. But I came over here for some beef patty. And bruh, as soon as I go there, she talking about some guys, we're no longer selling beef patties. We're officially closed. Like, I had my money right in my hand like this, waiting in line. Like, sis, don't play with me. There was 2 people in front, one person in front of me, because they was a couple, so they won. And sis didn't want to give it to me. Like, are you serious, bro? So I didn't even get to spend no money here. Like, but I'm about to go home and just figure out what I'm about to do. Probably vlog and fix my hair and all that. But yeah, let me get my car. Hi. Oh, y'all. Oh, when I go home, y'all, I'm gonna show you. I got my mom. Well, she got herself something, but you know, I was on FaceTime with her, so she was not me not recording, but yeah, she saw this outfit that she wanted, so I had to get it for her. And these people staring at me like I'm crazy. See, I don't like when people stare at me, because I have an attitude problem, and I will tell you the fuck off. Like, don't do that. But yeah, y'all, oh my god, I really don't want to go this way. Like, I don't know this direction, but I'm about to drive y'all, so I'm gonna hit y'all. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get home. It's all right, told everything was sad. The nerve and them black egg boy with the full of left and left. What's that? I like it, I notice, girl. My wife give me brain every time when I feel like I need motives. What's coming is cool, it's not coming in line like clothing. They're not bad man. Bad man.
He don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
Y'all, I am so tired, bro. Like, I was driving home, and I'm not gonna lie, I was falling asleep. I was like, so if you see me on the road and I was driving crazy, swerving and all that, your girl is tired, okay? She didn't go to bed last night till after 4. I had to wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning to go to work. Left work, went home, changed, went straight to Queens. Like, oh my god, your girl is tired, bro. I'm tired. Like, I'm trying. Hopefully I'm gonna shower, see how I feel. If I feel any better, then I'm gonna go do the Q&A. If not, then welcome to my channel. Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Like, your girl is tired. My skin feels so dirty. Like, I'm about to go home. I am home. I'm about to go inside and fucking, excuse my French. I'm about to go inside and go shower and go to sleep, y'all. I'm so tired.
Bubble up now.